So these are the Bosch glow plugs that I'm going to be using for this particular car. Don't make any assumptions though as to, the specs. These are 4.4 volt glow plugs. Not every glow plug is 12 volts or 24 volts if you're working on a truck or whatever, so do check. Location of the glow plug is pretty straightforward on this Volvo D5 Euro 4 engine, right at the front underneath the fuel rail, just showing you glow plugs 4 and 5 there. And you reveal the glow plug just by pulling off the electrical connector. Make sure you grab the actual plastic though and gently pull it off, never use the wires to pull. And number 3 glow plug just tucked in the middle there, although that thinner rubber pipe does move out the way for better access. And then glow plugs 1 and 2 just tucked away there. So access is all pretty decent and just made easier by using like a flexible joint glow plug key at the end of some ratchet extensions. This glow plug key is an 8mm one, which works perfectly. I did need to buy this key though for these glow plugs because the 8mm extended stock socket which comes with my toolkit is no good because it has a tiny ridge in the just a little way down. You might just see that ridge there. So although it grips at 8mm, you can't get past that ridge to actually get to the glow plug nut. And obviously if you use anything larger like a 9mm, yeah, it goes past fine, but then it doesn't grip the glow plug nut. So I did need to buy a separate glow plug key, so check your tools. So I'm just going in here for glow plug number 4 for the video, and it's just a question of very lightly turning it until the glow plug key seats perfectly over the glow plug, and then breaking that initial bit of tension and then just twisting the glow plug off by hand. And they really should turn off by hand. You really don't want to be feeling a lot of resistance there. Then I'm just diving my hand in to just try and extract the glow plug with my fingers and just showing you the hole that the glow plug came out of just there. And then for putting in the new ones, I'm going to be using copper grease, which I would strongly recommend. A smear of copper grease on the threads only of the glow plug. And basically when you screw the glow plug back in, this copper grease then squishes up to the top and provides a waterproof seal to prevent any moisture going in and corroding the glow plug. So you can see with the old ones, I reckon some sort of grease was used because the lower threads are in great condition, nice and clean. It's only the top couple of threads that have got corrosion, and that'll certainly be one of the reasons why they came out so easily. So help yourself for the future there and use copper grease on the threads. And then putting it back in, just very lightly popping it in with your fingers and then just turning by hand on the ratchet. And I don't use the actual ratchet itself, I just use the extensions and just tighten everything wrist tight. Glow plug tightening torque is normally around 8 to 10 Newton meters, which is maybe 3 to 5 pounds-feet of torque, so nothing major at all, so don't go crazy there. And then don't forget to reconnect any electrical connector to the respective glow plug. Then these are the 2 that were actually causing the problem. 3 were good, but 2 were bad. This one here, 5.9 ohms, which on the face of it you might not think sounds too bad, but it's plenty enough to create a fault code and a reduction in the power output. And the other one, well, you can see that's massively over. So we just changed all 5 and job done.